Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a Shopify store with Zendrop. Create your Shopify account, pick a clean theme, and set basic store details like name and currency. Install Zendrop and authorize it to access products and orders. Import 3 to 5 products, write clear titles and descriptions, and set competitive pricing with shipping included. Finally, set up payment gateways and a simple thank you page to track conversions. Research niches that match your interests and customer needs, then filter Zendrop products by supplier rating and shipping speed. Look for items with strong imagery and simple benefits you can convey in 3 bullets. Price products to cover cost, shipping, and a profit margin of at least 25%. Run small ad tests with clear calls to action and track conversions closely so you can pause or double down on winning products quickly. Customize your theme for speed and simplicity, focusing on mobile layouts and legible fonts. Add product photos, bullet benefits, and a concise return policy to build trust. Implement shipping profiles in Shopify and sync them with Zendrop fulfillment expectations. Configure email automations for abandoned carts and order confirmations, and enable basic analytics to monitor product performance and add ROI so you can iterate effectively and reduce wasted ad spend over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.